Hey there! Today we're going to discuss variable scope in C. So let's get started. Let me go ahead and maximize this editor, and as you can see I have this file created, ex34 underscore variable scope.c, and I have also added this global variable before the main and the local variable which is inside of main function. So variable scope refers to the visibility of variables within a program. Variables declared in a function are local to that block of code and cannot be referred to outside the functions. So if we have another function in here, like for example void display message, something like that, and then let's create a variable in here like int num. So this variable is only available in this inside this function, inside this display message function. So variable declared outside all functions are global. So this is an example of global variable. So this is a global variable. When we declared a variable outside all functions, then it is called global, and we can access this inside the main function or inside any other function. So for example, constants declared within a define. So we also have the constant. We type in the command constant by using the keyword define, like that. At the top of the program are visible to the entire program. So when we define a constant in here, like for example any numbers or anything that we can think of, so it will be part of the global variable. So I'm going to give you an example. Let me just delete this real quick. So I'm going to give you an example. We're going to use both local and global variables. So let's just leave this. So we have now a global variable. So if you notice, I have put this before the main function. So we can access this anywhere in our functions, either in main or in other function. And we also have the local variables, which is only available in main function, the local var1 and local var2, which has an integer type. So let's go ahead and continue this. And then let's call the global var or the global variable. And what we want to do is that we can update the value for global vars by adding global var1 and global var2. So you can do a lot of things with this setup. Then we can display the message to the screen using the printf function. So let's put the new line and then the global. Let's put the separator and then the global var. So let's go ahead and run this by right clicking and select the compile and run. And as you can see, this will output the total of local var1 and local var2, which is 15, which is correct. So when arguments are passed to function parameters, the parameters act as the local variables. Upon exiting a function, parameters and any local variables in the functions are destroyed. And just a quick note as well that use global variables with caution. They should be initialized before using to avoid unexpected results, and because they can be changed anywhere in the program, Global variables can lead to hard to detect error, so make sure to initialize the global variable. So in here we put an initial value of 0 just to be safe, and then we manipulate the global var by adding the local var 1 and the local var 2, and then we print it out to the screen. So that's it. And before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge. I have here a little exercise for you on this tab. So variable scope refers to which of the following? Is it A, the number of declared functions, B, visibility variables within a program, or C, number of variables in a program? If you know the answer, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you.